Ki khna pule ka Mahatma Gandhi University haringkat ki nong hikai bat ki nong yalam ka Khasi Student Union Education Cell North Khasi Hill District Unit kila Khang Tala ya kane ka University bat hakane ka Khang Tala Vice Chancellor kane ka jaka pule ula syasat lang Shapoh. Kidau ki bapenlong ye ki khna banekhi ka long halor sibun ki jingduna hakaba kane ka jaka pule ka dontang iwe inong hikai hakawe ka department tang artli ki computer bat ka jingdan kuna ye ki khna ka baman kapor ki khna pule ki thuru bal ar banai klem don nong hikai hakane ka jaka pule.
Come, are you coming or not? You won't touch you, sir, but you won't come inside the close. Later don't
Let's close.
please come outside. No, they should go.
Just 1 minute. Students even till now say we have no 2-3 days. How long exams are coming up?
I'm trying
Some of the students
by streamlining the things. Only 1.5 months over, I have taken the charge.
we've done this. It's been a year, sir. It's been a
And
year
in
since
one day there
since
is no
we
miracle
have
happen.
started.
See.
It's been a year since we had made demands. Since we have urged the university to please look into the matters as soon as possible. But then every time it seems like we're just filled with
I will allow you to
sir.
close the university
We're only
today,
given
but let me
promises.
give the answer. What is tomorrow? Who will give the admission in mid of the semester?
It's okay, sir. What can we do, sir? We are
Here
not
you are
we are not
playing
getting
with
what we're paid for. So
Give me a
what's the
chance.
point, sir?
Give me a
What's the
chance.
point?
I will-
What's the point of the university opening when we are not getting anything from the university? It's just open, sir. It's just open. Now we come here for the process of learning, but we have learned nothing. So what's the point, sir? What's the point of getting a piece of paper, sir? Getting the provisional certificate or the degree certificate without having nothing in our heads? And without practice, there's no point. Now, what do you expect of us? Taking the degree from here, applying for a job. When we get the job, we have no knowledge about anything. So what's the point, sir? What's the point, sir?
See,
What's the point?
It's not loose for me.
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
I will get
the
another job.
chances,
You
as
don't
long
think
as the
like that.
university is closed
But
down.
think about your future.
We know, sir.
We are
We are not
trying to.
thinking about our future,
Since
sir.
you came here, since do you think about our future, sir? How many classes have they conducted?
I'm trying.
What did you try, sir? Have the library book come? Just tell me one thing. Last time you said all the book has come.
All the promises, all the
There's
promises.
no book. When I checked, there's no book. Just 3 or 4 books have come. What did you say to me? All the book have came? Don't lie to us. We are tired. Come outside. If you won't come, I will close. Just tell me one thing. How many teachers do we have, sir, from law department? How many teachers do BFAM have?
We are in process of recruitment.
In process?
We are process of recruitment.
In process, but now we are giving education to students. How do you do process? What is your process?